Story of letter A. Letter A looks like this as big A and like this as small a. Let's start. There was an ant. There was an ant. Her name was Annie. Her name was Annie. Annie saw an apple tree. Annie saw an apple tree. There were many apples on that apple tree. There were many apples on that apple tree. Annie saw something lying near the apple tree. What was that? Yes, it was an axe. Annie saw an axe lying next to the apple tree. There came an alligator. There came an alligator. Now, what was the alligator doing over there? The alligator was crying, ah, ah, ah. The alligator was crying, ah, ah, ah. He wanted to eat apples because he was hungry. Alligator wanted to eat apples because he was hungry. He asked Annie to help him out. Alligator asked Annie to help him in giving apples to him. But Annie wasn't able to pluck the apples, so she looked here and there for help. Annie looked here and there for help. Saw someone coming, and who was he? He was an athlete. He was an athlete. Annie asked him to help them out. They wanted to eat apples. But the athlete said, "Give me something to pluck these apples." How will he able to pluck those apples? So athlete asked Annie to give him something. Annie asked athlete to pick up that axe which was lying next to the apple tree. Annie asked the athlete to pick up the axe which was lying next to the apple tree. And yes, the athlete used the axe to pluck the apples. Athlete used the axe to pluck the apples from the apple tree. After getting the apples, the alligator and the ant thanked the athlete for giving them the apples. Yes, after getting the apples, the alligator and the ant thanked the athlete to giving those apples, the lovely apples to them. So, this was the story of A. Story of A. Now let us see what were the words beginning with A in the story. Ant, Annie, apple tree, axe, alligator, athlete. Yes, once again. Ant, Annie, apple tree, axe, alligator, athlete. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.